Power to make regulation. Section 30. The board may, by notification, make a regulation consistent with the Act and rules and may thereunder to carry on the purpose of the Act. In particular, without prejudice to generality of foregoing power, such a regulation may provide for all and any of the following manners, namely time and place of meeting of the board and the procedure to be followed in such a meeting under subsection 7 or subsection 1, including quorum necessary for transaction purposes. The term and other condition of service or officers or employees of the board under the section 9 or section 2. Manner related to the issue of capital, transfer of security, and other manner incidental thereto, and the manner in which such a manner shall be disclosed by the companies in section 11A. Issue of capital, transfer of security, and other manner or incidental thereto. Utilizing the amount credited of section 11 and subsection 5. Fulfillment of other conditions relating to the collective investment schemes under the section 11A of section 2A. The conditions subject to any of the certificate registered into issue, and the amount of fees to be paid for certificate registration, and the manner of supersession or collection of certificate registration. The termination of the Board of Settlement Proceedings under subsection 2 and procedure of condition of settlement proceeding under 15 JB or subsection 3. Any other manner which is required to be or may be specified with the regulations or in respect of which provision is to be made by regulation.